Let's do this then. Okay, hello everyone. My name is Pasi and I'm here to build stuff. Today I'm gonna build or assemble an e-bike. I have to tell you that I don't have any experience on e-bikes. I haven't driven one. I have, a bicycle. I know how to ride a bike, but I haven't driven an e-bike. Based on that, I bought this Rad Bikes RadRhino. I don't know if it's a good one or not, but I guess that's something we need to find out when after I get it assembled. Let's get started. There we go. This is what I got for the bike. A tool set, phone mount, place to put my water bottle, kryptonite, evolution lock, and a pump. And lastly, I have this box, battery terminal cover. So this is what I bought. It goes into the bike when you don't have the battery in it, but still they wanna, sell it separately. I don't care. I bought it. But yeah, let's get this knife and let's see what this baby got. Where do we start? We need to pick this bike up, but I don't know if how is it like. I think just grab here and lift. Let's go. Oh, this is heavy. It's like super heavy. Luckily, I'm on the strong side, so. What else do we have here? We have a box. We have a nice box here. Look, there it is. Almost assembled. There was a video on YouTube which I did watch once before, where was instructions how to assemble this. So let's see how it goes. What do we have in the box? Congratulations. Well, thank you. RadRhino 6 Plus. Yeah, assembled instructions. Well, probably it is wise to check it out first. Let's see. There we have keys, rear fender mounting hardware. This is probably the toolkit. Pedals are here. Headlight, nice, and a charger. There we go. Harder than I expected. Let's get on with the handlebar. Ooh, there it is. So, I don't really need that, I think, because I'm a professional, You've probably seen my time-lapse video which I did when we renovated the house. So I'm a pro with tools. Nah, I'm just messing with you. I have some experience from my dad when I was a kid, we maintained bikes and cars. So he taught me the basic things on how to use tools. But I also have had some experience in construction sites, so I know how to hold a hammer. But yeah, if you haven't seen the time-lapse video of our house's renovation, you need to go check it out. Okay, this goes. Oh, I think I'm gonna go with the tool that I got. This is too slow for my professionalism. Newton meters. Does it matter? Handlebar, stem faceplate. So now I'm gonna tighten this up with this first, somewhat all the way, so that it doesn't move around. Almost done. Yeah, and you need to go like this crisscross style so that they will be properly tightened. Shouldn't move around much. One thing I noticed immediately, that it seems like it's a bit off with the alignment, because these should be pointing towards. Not sure. Is it a good spot? Yeah, that's not gonna work. It was a bit loose. It's weird. Okay, so yeah, that's way better. Let's see the last one. Yeah, there we go. So that's that done. Install the front wheel. These pliers didn't come with the box, and I can tell you that these are pretty useful. Is it loose? No. There's one more in there. Oh, there we go. Oh, this is light. I thought it might be heavier because it's fatty. So we have the wheel. One more thingy here. So I need to take this off. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. I think I'm just gonna lift it up, right? Maybe. I thought I could just remove it with lifting, but it doesn't want to come off, so... yeah. When in doubt, use more power. This is what actually goes between the axle or that. Put it right there. This should go like this. Tidy it up a bit, like so. Why do you read manuals? So you make sure that you take all of these things off. This doesn't really work with the brakes and stuff. It should fall in place nicely. So I'm just gonna roll that wheel in there with my legs, like professionals. And it should fall into place. Or not, let's see. Oh yeah, it was almost there. I mean, it's kind of in there because it needs to be tight when you pull it up. Look at that, it's in place. I'm just gonna assemble this right now, make sure that everything's in place, and before I go on a test drive, I'm gonna go through every nut and bolt just to make sure everything's in order, because yeah, I don't want to hurt myself or anyone else. I'm gonna clean afterwards because right now I'm a man on a mission. So that's, yeah, the front fender. I really dig that you have these with the bike. I don't want to worry if there's rain or it's snowing that I can't drive the bike. I need to drive it in various weather conditions, and these things help with that, so that I keep myself clean while I go to work, because you don't want to be a messy boy when you go to work, right? You want to be in tip-top shape. Or some might ask why there's a bucket full of water. I have an explanation. I have a leaking roof in my garage, which I will fix in the future. There's gonna be a video about that as well. I don't have time to worry about it. I don't need to worry about it. I got this bucket. So the front went, oh yeah, there it is. I was looking for the bolts, but they're already here. So I have the headlight here. Let's get these bad boys on, like this. Now I can properly mount it. Am I blind, or where does it go? Oh, I see. Like so, and oh no, oh no, this is... How am I this bad with what I'm doing right now? Nope. There we go. I guess that's tight enough. Oh, you know, that's the good stuff. That's what people want to watch on YouTube. There should be some sweet spot for it. How do you just bend it, I guess? On the outside of the brake housing. The fuck do you mean outside? Oh, then that's tight. There we go. Now, yeah, this is what I wanted. Put away. It's fancy. Now I can start to clear some of these things away. Unveil this bad boy, like so. There we go. Always wear a helmet. That's a good tip. Oh, yes, big boy. The battery. A lot of warning labels. Okay, I need to get a proper tool for this. Like so. Oh, look, would you look at that? Now I'm only missing like the pedals, and I also forgot to do this. You get the arrows pointed at each other and snippety snap. I'm gonna continue with the pedals. There we go. So this goes on the right side. Here I have some Pro 2 grease. That's how you know you're dealing with the right stuff when it says Pro. I'm gonna put small bean. Or that's what the internet said. I did need to look that up, so that I know somewhat what I'm doing here. I think that's, yeah, it's gonna be tight enough. Tighten each pedal. Yeah, 35. Well, they're 35. Don't you just take a quick seat here? Oh, wow, this feels nice. And do you know what else feels nice? This. Oh, I didn't expect this video to turn out to be an ASMR. But that's what you get. Where was I? Oh yeah. This. I like all the orange details they have going on with the bike. I like the gray or black color that the bike has. Even with the fenders. I know you bikers, you don't like these, but I do. What's this? Is there... Okay, good thing I found that out. It has 3 bars. I need to charge it, but before that I should be able to test drive it a bit. Open up this and lift it up to the proper height, which might be somewhere in there. I also want to put these in. Right now I realize I can't do that because there's this battery which I didn't think of when I ordered these, but I believe these have a place in here somewhere. Nope. And now before I go, I'm just gonna show you my professionalism here. This is everything is laid down here, and I need to show you this. When I say I'm a professional, this is actually what I mean. I have this leg going on with my old phone, and it is staying there because of the weight of this, you know, drill bits. But it doesn't matter. I hope you have enjoyed so far. And now it's time for the test drive. Let's go. I just came to this park near our house. I haven't tried the electrics yet. I just drove it here and it doesn't feel as heavy as I expected. Let's turn this bike on from here. A Rad. The pedal assist is at 1. Okay, let's go. So I believe this is the gas. Oh my god, this is so much fun. I've been missing it out a lot. I should have bought this earlier. Oh damn. So let's just put the pedal assist. I have it on 1. Now it's on 5, which is maximum. Oh my god, this is stupidly easy. This is gonna make my commute to work or wherever so freaking easy. One thing I need to keep in mind is that I actually need to learn how to ride the bike, because it does like accelerate on its own. Like even the slightest pedaling gets me going. This is amazing. If you're thinking of buying one, you should. But now we're gonna test out the acceleration, because this thing moves on its own. I don't have to pedal if I don't want to. So let's see how fast does it go. So I put 5 on the assist and then I just crank the gas and not pedal. But with the gas I can only go like 6-7 kilometers per hour, and as soon as I start to pedal I'm flying. I think the gears are alright. I think the position that I'm driving is alright, but I need to adjust this display and this a bit. And I do realize my first gear doesn't really work that well. But other than that, it's a great bike. The light pattern isn't the greatest. It works. A little bit of gas to get me over the hump. Nice. And then we turn it off with the press of a button, like so. It's a nice bike. I gotta say, as my first e-bike and fat bike combined, it's so much fun. I can't wait for tomorrow when I get this thing charged. Expect to have more of these kind of videos where I record myself doing things like building or assembling stuff. Thank you for watching if you made it this far. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Leave me a comment on how did I manage to do this. Did I miss something? I know I've done a good job here. I'm happy with myself. And you should be too, whatever you're doing in your life. Cheers guys. See you in the next one.